If you're looking for the best Bluehost coupon code deal available right now, this is the offer you want to use before signing up. Right now, Bluehost is offering an exclusive discount where you can get up to 78% off web hosting, a free domain name on annual plans, pricing lower than going directly to the regular website. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim the Bluehost discount, which plan is best for you, and how to lock in the cheapest possible price. Let's get started. To claim the Bluehost exclusive deal, go down below this video and click the special link in the description. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I'm earning a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still receive the lowest pricing available. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Bluehost discount page. Go ahead and click Get Started. You'll now see the hosting plans available. Personal plan, this is the cheapest Bluehost option and a great choice if you're starting one website. It currently offers up to 78% off, pricing starting as low as $1.99 per month, great for blogs, personal brands, portfolios, or small business websites. If you only need one website and want the lowest price, this is a solid option. Starter plan, this is ideal if you want more flexibility. It currently offers up to 70% off, pricing starting as low as $2.99 per month. This is a great pick if you may build multiple sites or want room to grow. eCommerce Essentials plan, this plan is best for online stores or anyone wanting advanced selling tools. It currently offers up to 68% off, pricing starting as low as $6.99 per month. If you want to sell products online or run an e-commerce business, this is a plan I'd recommend. Bluehost gives you multiple billing terms: 4-year, 3-year, 2-year, 1-year, monthly. If you want the lowest monthly price, the best value is usually the 3-year or 4-year term. That's where you'll typically unlock the biggest savings. If you want less commitment, you can choose 1 year or monthly. Just keep in mind, monthly plans usually cost more per month. Monthly plans do not include a free domain name. Annual plans include the free domain offer. So if you want the best overall deal, annual plans are usually the smartest move. Choose the plan you want. Next, either register a brand new domain name for free or use a domain you already own. Then select your billing term. Then enter your account information. Complete checkout, and Bluehost can have your hosting ready quickly. If you're brand new and want the cheapest option, go with the personal plan. If you may build more than one website or want extra flexibility, go with the starter plan. If you're launching an online store, go with eCommerce Essentials. If you want to claim the exclusive Bluehost coupon code discount, click the link in the description below right now before pricing changes. You get up to 78% off, a free domain name on annual plans, exclusive discounted pricing. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more web hosting deals, website tutorials, and money saving offers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.